Hey guys, it's Justin here with Baku Brawl and Net. We're going to do a box opening of this triple pack Hayos Nillious. And it comes with, I think, Pegatrix and, trying to think of, I think that's a Ventus, gosh, I don't forget what it's called. But we're going to open it. I think it's Serpentines. Yeah, I think it's Serpentines. Pull out the cards. First, we have our Nillious. So I'm going to get the camera to focus here. There we go. Nillious looks very nice. Very nice little two-headed dragon. His little arms fold out. We'll ball him up here in a minute after we get the rest of this out. He's going to be a double shield. See what kind of cores we got. We got 2 shields. One is a 400B for Pyrus Darkus, and then we got a plus 250 shield. We get 4 Green Fist. It's going to be a 50B 2 damage, a 1 damage, 2 damage. All these cores suck. And then a Aquas Ventus. And then we'll get gee whiz. I don't know why the top one's always the hardest to pull out. And then we have our Ventus Serpentines core. 600 B power, not bad. And then we have the Black Pony Pegatrix. If I'm not mistaken, the B power's on its butt. Yep, 200 B power. Let's see what kind of cards we got with it. I forgot what cards come with this. Now we have Pegatrix. There's a Green Fist and a Shield. 200 B power with 5 damage. The Cycling Nillious is a Green Fist Shield. 400 B power, 5 damage. Not bad. Comes with a jump, which is not good. And then Serpentines. 600 B power, 2 damage. And then armor, which is also not that great. And he folds up pretty easy. And then his butt folds in. And then we have the pony, which the legs fold in, the wings fold in, and then the tail. Oh, sorry, the tail was supposed to go first. And then his head just folds back. Now Nillious is a little harder to fold. His arms go up, his head comes down and folds in on both of them. And you gotta fold his legs behind his neck. And then his wings come around. It's hard to hold all that in place. And then you have to pull his tail in and squeeze back to front. It closes up real nice. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.